Hi, Chloe. Do you like your new mats? Show us how you're trying to crawl. She's trying. She can't do it yet, though, which is a good thing for Mom and Dad. But we got her this new mat so she doesn't hit her head on the tile. Look at that foot up there. Chloe. Hi, Chloe. Show us how you're trying to crawl. You getting tired? There we go. Look like you're doing some sort of weird Cirque du Soleil move.